exhaust is kind of messed up, so we're gonna have to fix this too. So let's fix that up. What we are gonna do is just to be sure, see if that motor can go. I'm gonna let it run for a while and just see if it can handle itself. Let's fix up this ductwork. It's working great. The thing is, I repaired the flue pipe, and it was all broke up, and kind of just sealed it up. I don't feel any leaks. As you can see, I sealed up the chimney real good. So now it doesn't have all those gaping holes anymore. So it's good to go. Looking great. We'll let it run for a minute just to make sure everything's intact. We do need to get a filter for it. Other than that, success.